Hi, welcome to Brains and the Beat here on YouTube. If you're new, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for sticking tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about the Portland man that has gone missing, and he was last seen in the company of a Portland police officer. So let's get straight into it. It says, Indocom is probing the suspected murder of a Portland man who went missing after reportedly being in the company of a member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force on a trip to an undisclosed location on Wednesday night, September 26. 27-year-old taxi operator Jeffrey Campbell, otherwise called Reese, reportedly left home for work on Wednesday morning, as he usually does. Then things got tense the same night after Campbell's common-law wife, Corrine Williams, received two voice messages from Campbell, one at 8:03 and the other at 8:07. According to Miss Williams, she didn't see the messages until sometime after 9. Miss Williams told the Times she knew something was wrong when she listened to the messages. He was whispering and sounded scared. He said he was out with the police and him no trust no shadow after dark mission. Him tell me the person name and where to find him, that if anything should happen and him no come back. He didn't say where he was. Maybe he didn't know because he would tell me, she said. Miss Williams said, when I listened to the message, I was trying to call him and up until this day I can't get him. Honestly, me did I call him for cuss him. I asked him why him gone with the person if he can trust him. Miss Williams said she shared the voice messages with her family members while she hoped for the safe return of Campbell. After waiting for more than a day, she decided to file a missing persons report at the Port Antonio police station on Friday morning, September 28. She said that she was afraid and didn't mention the voice messages to the police. Later that evening, Miss Williams reportedly got a call from the police asking her to report to the station. Miss Williams said she went there and an officer asked her about the voice messages, which she denied circulating out of fear. She added that the officer who had taken her statement in the morning asked her to stand at a window and pointed her out to other police at the station. Real marker for death. That's exactly what they did right there. Miss Williams said she got scared and left. She added that the officer who Campbell identified in the voice messages is also stationed at that station. The Port Antonio police have been trying to call me, but I don't answer because I don't like the way they handle the situation. I don't trust anybody up here, Miss Williams said. She has reported the matter to Indocom, who have collected evidence and are investigating the matter. And then it says, body found. The body of a man who Miss Williams believes to be her common-law husband was fished from the Rio Cobre in St. Catherine on Sunday, September 30th. 4 days after Campbell's disappearance. DNA tests have not yet been released to confirm if the body is that of Campbell's. When asked about the discovery, Miss Williams told the Times that the body looked just like his, but the face kinda mash up. Miss Williams described the body to be in a decomposing state and also said it appeared to have blows to the head. Miss Williams is distraught at Campbell's disappearance. He was the breadwinner for their two daughters, ages 1 and 4. Miss Williams said her older daughter asked for him. I tell her he's at work. He usually call and talk to them if he is coming home late. So you know, say, you know, absentee father this. I don't know how to tell my children their aunt is going to tell them. If it's him, the body, I don't know. I really don't know, she said. Campbell's vehicle has not yet been found. Honestly, when she said, I don't know, I really don't know, I feel like she's in denial. Like she said, he is the breadwinner for their family. And I'm going to play this audio recording for you guys, and then I'm gonna come back and give you guys my thoughts and opinions. So this is the first audio recording that Campbell sent to his common law wife. And it's very low. I hope you guys can actually hear it. These voice messages are very, very low. Like she said, he was actually whispering. So you're probably gonna have to put in headphones to hear this or something. I don't know. So he basically told his common law wife that the man name is Francis. He works at the Port Antonio police station. He works for the squad on the back of the car. And he gave his common law wife his address as to where he lives. And he also sent the police contact information to his wife. So there's no denying this, that he was actually with this person from the voice notes. And this, they said that he has given a statement. Oh. They said that he has given a statement, and I don't understand how a police officer that is being investigated can give a statement to the same police officers that he worked with. That's the first red flag right there. The second red flag was they did not report it to Endocom. If somebody in your squad or in the force is being accused of something like this, and you know it's not true, and you know you have evidence to back up your brother, and he's not a killer, he's not a murderer, the first thing you're going to do is actually call Indocom and make sure they get his name cleared. That's the second red flag. Third red flag was when she went to the police station and the man, the policeman that pointed her out to the rest of his colleagues, was marking her. So I hope when she went to Indocom, the Indocom is actually protecting her, have her under protective custody or something, because she has 2 kids. 2. And when we saw the pictures initially, we just saw his missing pictures, and then we got the images of the body that they fished out the Rio Cobre. And I'm telling you, one of my family members actually committed suicide, and he did it in a river, and we identified him the same day. So I can tell you that the man that they fished out the Rio Cobre in St. Catherine is definitely Campbell. They look exactly alike. And Campbell's body, I don't know if they were trying to torture him, beat him, get some form of information out of him, but his body looked bruised and beat up. So not only did they kill the breadwinner of a family, they made sure they took out a father out of 2 girls' lives in Jamaica. Girls, especially with what's going on in Jamaican society right now, and women are being under attack and they're being killed, and children are being raped. Like, girls, little girls and women need their fathers. And they made sure they took out a present, not a absentee father, a father that was present in his kid's life. And that's how the messed up cycle in Jamaica continues. Mr. Francis, just like how you dash with somebody pitney, me hope them dash you with too. Just like how they put away Cartel on their fake up, makeup voice notes, they have more than enough evidence, because this is the man dying. Right before he dies is what he told his wife. Basically in dying sentiments, basically. In the cover and back. And as you guys know, he said he was doing something serious. If you listen very carefully to the audio, he was doing something serious. And this doesn't excuse what he did. But Jamaica police officers have no right to kill Jamaican citizens. Them are not judge, jury, or executioner. If they cannot catch somebody in a crime and get real evidence, then make them go on. We don't need no rogue cops in the JCF, or rogue cops killing off people in our society. But big up to Indicom, because Indicom is actually on this case, and I hope Indicom gets to the bottom of this, because if Cartel can go jail without nobody, no forensic evidence, I'm sure Mr. Francis from the Port Antonio police station can go jail for this too. So comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think about this story. What do you think transpired? What do you think they were into? Because obviously they were into something that's very illegal or very wrong, or they were doing criminal activities and something went south. Both of them at fault, but this policeman had no right, none whatsoever, to take somebody's life. And he should definitely not be getting paid right now while he's being investigated. If he go sit down in yard and get Jamaican citizens money, they put in his pocket while he sit down under cool AC, and do nothing. So like, comment, share, and subscribe, and tell me what you guys think about this story in the comment section, and I'll pin Hubby's WhatsApp group if you want to join, because we cannot show the pictures here on our YouTube channel, but we can definitely show you them in our WhatsApp group. So all the info will be in the description box, and see you in the next video. Deuces.